Irion EDM Online Training. What is Irion EDM and how does it enable enterprise data management? Irion EDM, Enterprise Data Management, is a data management platform designed to help organizations streamline, govern, and optimize their data-related processes. It provides a unified solution for managing enterprise data assets, ensuring data quality, compliance, and operational efficiency. Key features of Irion EDM. Data integration allows organizations to consolidate and integrate data from multiple sources, including databases, cloud services, and legacy systems. Data quality and governance offers rule-based data validation, cleansing, and enrichment to ensure high data accuracy and reliability. Metadata management enables tracking and managing metadata for better transparency, lineage, and impact analysis. Workflow automation automates data processing, validation, and reconciliation tasks, reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. Compliance and regulatory support supports compliance with industry standards such as GDPR, BCBS 239, and IFRS 17 by providing auditability, traceability, and data lineage. Business rules and AI/ML integration implements business rules and machine learning models for data classification, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics. Self-service and data democratization provides business users with access to clean, curated data for analytics and decision-making. How Irion EDM enables enterprise data management. Centralized data governance ensures that enterprise data is managed consistently with governance frameworks. Scalability and flexibility adapts to various industries, including finance, healthcare, and insurance, allowing organizations to scale their data management practices. Real-time data processing supports real-time data ingestion and processing to improve operational insights and responsiveness. Interoperability integrates seamlessly with other enterprise applications, including by tools, cloud platforms, and regulatory reporting solutions. How to configure and customize data governance in Irion EDM? Configuring and customizing data governance in Irion EDM involves several key steps to ensure effective management of your organization's data assets. Here's a structured approach. Define roles and responsibilities. Establish a governance team led by a chief data officer or data governance manager to develop policies and oversee the system. Identify data owners for each business area, responsible for overseeing specific data domains. Assign data stewards to act as intermediaries between business and IT, ensuring data quality and compliance. Develop a data governance framework. Create a centralized, solid, and expandable data governance model that integrates with data quality processes. Implement a business glossary and data dictionary to standardize terminology and definitions across the organization. Utilize Irion EDM's adaptive data repository to model metadata profiling for secure ownership attribution. Implement data quality management. Set up a centralized business rule catalog, regardless of physical location within the organization. Establish a governance model for monitoring and qualifying data production chains. Leverage Irion EDM's capabilities to verify, manage, monitor, measure, and ensure the quality of business data. IrionEDM.com. Configure workflows and automation. Use Irion EDM's orchestration and automation workflow engine to manage the evolution of the data model and guide the publishing of the golden copy. Set up mail notifications and alerts to keep stakeholders informed of data governance activities. Customize dashboards and reporting. Create interactive dashboards to visualize key quality indicators, KQIs, and monitor the health of your data governance framework. Develop reports that provide insights into data quality metrics and governance processes. Foster a data-driven culture. Promote data culture across the entire company by involving all departments in data governance initiatives. Organize training sessions to educate employees on data governance policies and best practices. What are the key features of Irion EDM for metadata management? Irion EDM, Enterprise Data Management, is a comprehensive platform that provides powerful metadata management capabilities. Here are some of its key features. 1. Centralized metadata repository. Stores and organizes metadata from various sources in a centralized location. Supports structured, semi-structured, and unstructured metadata. 2. Data lineage and impact analysis. Tracks data movement and transformations across systems. Provides visualizations of data lineage for better traceability. Supports impact analysis to assess changes before implementation. 3. Metadata integration and interoperability. Connects with multiple data sources, including databases, data lakes, and cloud platforms. Supports standard metadata exchange formats like XML, JSON, and RDF. Integrates with ETL tools by platforms and data governance frameworks. 4. Business glossary and data cataloging. Maintains a well-structured business glossary with definitions and relationships. Enables automated tagging and classification of metadata. Facilitates search and discovery through metadata indexing. 5. Data governance and compliance support. Helps enforce data governance policies by defining roles, access controls, and approval workflows. Ensures regulatory compliance, example GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, through audit trails and security controls. 6. Automation and AI-driven metadata enrichment. Uses AI and machine learning to automate metadata classification and enrichment. Supports rule-based metadata validation and consistency checks. 7. Versioning and change management. Maintains historical versions of metadata for audit and rollback purposes. Tracks metadata changes over time with detailed logs. 8. Customization and extensibility. Allows users to define custom metadata models and attributes. Supports API-based integration for extensibility and automation. How to design and implement data quality rules in Irion EDM. Designing and implementing data quality rules in Irion EDM, Enterprise Data Management, involves defining business rules that validate, cleanse, and monitor data across systems. Below is a structured approach to achieving this. Step 1. Define data quality requirements. Before implementing rules, clarify the business and technical requirements for data quality. Accuracy. Ensure data correctness. Completeness. Verify that all required data is available. Consistency. Ensure uniformity across datasets. Timeliness. Ensure data is updated at required intervals. Uniqueness. Detect and eliminate duplicates. Validity. Ensure data conforms to required formats and standards. Step 2. Create data quality rules in Irion EDM. Irion EDM allows you to create rules using a rules engine and data quality functions. A. Define rule parameters. Identify the data source, example, databases, APIs, flat files. Specify the attributes fields for validation. Define the expected thresholds or conditions. Example, customer ID must be numeric and non-null. Choose the execution frequency, real-time, batch, scheduled. B. Rule implementation approaches. Irion EDM provides multiple rule implementation methods. Predefined rules use built-in templates for common validations. Custom rules define logic using SQLite syntax or Python scripts. Regular expressions used for pattern validation. Example, email format, ASA Z0-9 _% plus dash plus at ASA Z0-9 dot dash plus backslash dot ASA Z2 $. Reference data checks compare values against external reference datasets. Example, valid country codes. Threshold-based rules set upper-lower limits for numerical fields. Step 3. Configure execution and automation. Workflow integration. Embed rules into ETL/ELT pipelines. Real-time monitoring. Use dashboards and alerts to track rule violations. Data quality scores. Assign weighted scores to measure compliance. Error handling mechanisms. Define actions for rule failures. Example, logging, notifications, automatic correction. Step 4. Test and validate the rules. Run test cases using sample datasets. Verify the impact on data quality metrics. Adjust thresholds and conditions based on test results. How does Irion EDM support data lineage and impact analysis? Irion EDM, Enterprise Data Management, provides robust support for data lineage and impact analysis through its metadata-driven approach and data governance capabilities. Here's how it facilitates these processes. 1. Data lineage in Irion EDM. Data lineage in Irion EDM helps track the flow of data across the enterprise, from its origin to consumption. The platform provides end-to-end data traceability, tracks the complete life cycle of data, from ingestion to transformation and reporting. Graphical lineage visualization displays lineage in an interactive visual format, making it easier to understand relationships. Metadata-driven automation uses metadata management to dynamically capture lineage information across systems. Version control and audit trails maintains historical lineage records for compliance and auditing purposes. 2. Impact analysis in Irion EDM. Impact analysis helps assess the effect of changes in data structures, transformations, or processes. Irion EDM supports this by automated dependency analysis identifies dependencies between data elements, processes, and applications. Change simulation and what-if scenarios models potential impacts of data modifications before implementation. Cross-system analysis evaluates the impact of changes across multiple data sources and applications. Risk mitigation helps minimize risks by providing visibility into how changes affect downstream systems. 3. Key features enhancing data lineage and impact analysis. Metadata repository, centralized storage for metadata to ensure accurate lineage and impact tracking. Data quality integration ensures lineage includes data quality checks and issue tracking. Compliance and governance aligns with regulatory frameworks like GDPR, BCBS 239, and HIPAA. Customizable reports and dashboards provides insights into lineage and impact analysis results. What are the best practices for workflow automation in Irion EDM? Irion EDM, Enterprise Data Management, provides robust workflow automation capabilities to streamline data governance, integration, and quality management processes. Here are some best practices for workflow automation in Irion EDM. 1. Define clear workflow objectives. Identify the purpose of automation, example, data validation, integration, reporting. Ensure alignment with business and compliance requirements. 2. Modular workflow design. Break down workflows into reusable components to enhance maintainability. Use standard templates for common tasks to ensure consistency. 3. Optimize workflow performance. Schedule workflows to run during non-peak hours when applicable. Implement parallel processing for large-scale data operations. 4. Implement data quality checks. Automate validation rules to detect and correct data anomalies. Integrate data profiling tools within workflows for continuous monitoring. 5. Version control and change management. Maintain version history of workflows for auditability. Use sandbox environments for testing before deploying changes to production. 6. Leverage role-based access control, RBAC. Restrict permissions based on user roles to protect sensitive workflows. Implement approval workflows for critical data changes. 7. Monitor and log workflow execution. Enable detailed logging to track execution history and troubleshoot issues. Set up automated alerts for failures or performance degradation. 8. Integrate with external systems. Use APIs and connectors to integrate Irion EDM with other enterprise applications. Automate data ingestion and synchronization processes. 9. Ensure scalability and future-proofing. Design workflows to handle increasing data volumes efficiently. Regularly review and optimize processes to adapt to changing requirements. 10. Compliance and security considerations. Implement audit trails to meet regulatory compliance requirements. Encrypt sensitive data and enforce data masking where necessary. How to integrate Irion EDM with other enterprise systems? Integrating Irion EDM, enterprise data management, with other enterprise systems involves several key steps and approaches to ensure seamless data flow and governance. Below are some best practices and methods to achieve a successful integration. 1. Understanding Irion EDM's integration capabilities. Irion EDM provides various integration mechanisms, including API-based integration, REST, SOAP, ETL, and data pipeline integration. Message queues and event-driven integration. File-based data exchange, CSV, XML, JSON, etc. Database connectivity, ODBC JDBC. Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, and middleware integration. 2. Choosing the right integration approach. A. API-based integration. Use Irion EDM REST SOAP APIs to connect with enterprise applications like ERP, SAP, Oracle, CRM, Salesforce, and Data Warehouse. Leverage API Gateway or ESB like MuleSoft, Apache Camel to facilitate data exchange. B. ETL and data pipeline integration. Use ETL tools like Informatica, Talend, or Apache NiFi to extract, transform, and load data into Irion EDM. Define data transformation rules in Irion EDM to ensure data quality and consistency. C. Message queue event-driven integration. Use Kafka, RabbitMQ, or Azure Service Bus for real-time event-driven data integration. Publish and subscribe to relevant data streams for continuous data synchronization. D. File-based integration. Automate file ingestion through SFTP, AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage. Implement data validation and enrichment processes within Irion EDM before loading. E. Database connectivity. Connect directly via ODBC JDBC drivers for seamless data access. Use stored procedures and triggers to automate data movements between systems. F. Middleware ESB integration. Integrate with TIBCO, IBM WebSphere, or Apache Camel for enterprise-wide data orchestration. Define business rules and workflow automation within the ESB. 3. Security and compliance considerations. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict data access. Use data encryption, TLS/SSL, for secure data transmission. Ensure compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, or other regulatory frameworks. Why choose ProExcellency for Irion EDM online training? ProExcellency is a reputable training provider known for its comprehensive and high-quality online courses across various domains. While specific information about their Irion EDM training program isn't available in the provided sources, several factors make ProExcellency a compelling choice for such training. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency employs knowledgeable instructors who deliver well-organized and professional training sessions. For instance, trainees have praised the quality of instruction in courses like SAP EWM, highlighting the trainer's expertise and effective teaching methods. ProExcellency.com. Positive reviews. The Institute has received excellent feedback from participants across various courses. Reviews emphasize the professionalism, dedication, and responsiveness of the ProExcellency team, as well as the high quality of their training programs. ProvenExpert.com. Customized corporate training. ProExcellency offers tailored training solutions to meet the specific needs of organizations. This flexibility ensures that the training aligns with the unique requirements of different industries and corporate environments. ProExcellency.com. Diverse course offerings. The Institute provides a wide range of online training programs, including SAP Ariba, SAP Trademark S/4HANA EWM, Viva CRM, Kinaxis Rapid Response, Blue Yonder WMS, Salesforce, Manhattan WMS, and InfoBurst. This diversity indicates a broad expertise that can be beneficial for comprehensive learning experiences. ProExcellency.com. Thank you.